beauties, you're welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to prepare a simple DIY foot cream that you can use to get rid of foot infection that is caused by fungi. This treatment is very easy. This is the cream here, and to prepare it is very easy using simple and natural home ingredients that you can easily get your hands on. This cream is very effective and it's going to help you cure your foot infection very fast. Several foot infection is caused by fungi, which in turn causes fungal infection on the foot. So with this cream, you are sure of getting rid of your foot infection, fungal infection very fast in no time, only if you make use of this cream consistently. You use it the way you're supposed to use it. Getting rid of fungal infection or your foot infection is going to be very easy for you. So if today is your first time stopping by, you are welcome. Please do consider subscribing to this channel. Turn on the notification bell so that you will not miss any of my upcoming videos again. Also, do follow me on my socials. The link is on the screen and in the description. But let's quickly get right into this video. For this treatment, what I'll be making use of is garlic, and garlic has great antimicrobial and antifungal properties. Garlic here has been used in treating infection, it's used in treating yeast infection, and you can use only garlic to treat infection without even having to add any other medication. So that's why we'll be using garlic for this treatment. The next ingredient I'll be making use of is shea butter, and shea butter here has anti-inflammatory properties which helps to minimize irritation caused by environmental factors such as dry weather, or as well as inflammatory skin conditions such as eczema. The next ingredient I'll be making use of here is coconut oil, and coconut oil has effective antifungal properties. Coconut oil may be effective against Candida albicans, which is a type of fungus that is commonly responsible for fungal infection. So to prepare this, I'll just get my garlic, and here I'm going to be making use of 3 garlic cloves, just like this. The next thing I'm going to do is add shea butter to it, and I'm going to add some shea butter. I won't be using all the shea butter here. After adding shea butter, I'll go in with my coconut oil. For the coconut oil, I'm going to add 3 teaspoons to this. After adding it, I'll just go ahead and blend these 3 ingredients together. To blend this, I'm going to make use of my stick blender. So because this is not well blended, I'm going to blend it again. So another thing I want to mention here is that if you don't have a stick blender, you can as well go ahead and blend it with your blender. So this is what it looks like. After blending it, the next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and store it in my small container. It is important you store this in a container because you are going to use it more than once. So this is what it looks like after storing it. So I'll go ahead and show you how to make use of this. So this is the foot cream I just finished preparing, and I'm going to show you exactly how to apply this. What you're going to do is to get the foot cream like this, and then just take it out with your finger and then apply it all over the areas where you have this foot infection. If you have it in between, open up your toes like this and then apply it in between your toes. Just apply this everywhere you have inflammation on your leg or on your foot. And then I'm going to demonstrate it again using the other side of my leg. And then just apply it in between your toes. After applying this everywhere, go ahead and leave it to stay on your skin for as long as you can. That is to enable the garlic, the coconut oil, and the shea butter to do its job. So do repeat this twice in a day to get the best result. So after doing this, you can go ahead and put on a sock, wear your stockings, and then go to bed. If you apply this in the evening, or apply it in the morning, wear your stockings and go to work. This is going to help heal the foot infection faster. So beauties, that was just the simple way to prepare this DIY foot cream that you are going to use to get rid of any foot infection that you may have, be it the ones in between your toes or just on your foot. If you found this video helpful, please do share it with your friends. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you've not done so already. Also do hit on the subscribe button on your way out and turn on the notification bell so that you will not miss any of my upcoming videos again. And also don't forget to follow me on my socials. The link is on the screen and in the description box. And then do visit my blog. The link is on the screen and in the description box. And also don't forget that I sell skincare products. So check me out on my Instagram page for your skincare products, and I'll be there to attend to you. So until I see you next time, stay beautiful. Bye.